So in this second video, we discuss about what is RAM, that is random access memory, and what is ROM, that is read-only memory. First of all, there is one major difference in the random access memory. Random access memory is volatile or temporary memory. Volatile means temporary. The meaning of the word volatile. This is called volatile. That is meaning temporary memory. Temporary means which is not fixed. Okay, that means which will undergo change, which will change uh, after some time. It is not fixed. And read-only memory is non-volatile or permanent memory. So this is non-volatile. Non-volatile meaning is permanent, that is fixed. Okay, now I'll give one example to show the difference. uh, as you can see, your book, whatever written in your book cannot be erased. You cannot erase with a eraser, correct? So it is called ROM. Your book may be called read-only memory. That means non-volatile, permanent. So whatever written in your book is permanent. You cannot erase with a eraser, correct? So it is permanent. So your book is ROM. Now what is RAM? So example of RAM I can give from like your school. In the classroom, you have a blackboard. So when a teacher comes, he or she writes answer on the blackboard or questions on the blackboard. Now uh, whenever another teacher come in the next period, what happens? With the duster everything are erased. Yes, correct. So you can erase whatever written in the blackboard of your classroom. So whatever written on the blackboard is what? Volatile. That means temporary. It will stay for either one period, and in the next period again it will be erased. So you can erase whatever written on the blackboard, but in the book you cannot erase. So book uh, is an type of example of ROM, and RAM, blackboard you can say, is an example of RAM. Okay, so similarly in the computer also there is a book type, that is ROM, and a blackboard type, that is called a RAM. Okay, so this is all about primary memory. Then comes what? Secondary memory. Secondary memory is called auxiliary memory. Means uh, you may not you may or may not have secondary memory in the computer, but still the computer will work. But if there is no RAM and ROM, the computer will not work. So what are secondary memory? Secondary memory are these are examples. Okay, like hard disks, flash drives, SD cards, CD-ROM. We have seen CD, DVD, pen drives. Flash drives means pen drives. Hard disk, that is which is inside the CPU box. Okay, where your files are stored in the computer are what? Secondary memory. Pictures are given here. Okay, this is a hard drive, floppy, internal hard drive, CD. Okay, this is a pen drive or called flash drive. So these all are what? Secondary storage devices. Why the computer have two memories? Because RAM and ROM, their capacity is very less. Okay, but if you want to store lots of files in the computer, you need bigger storage spaces. So for bigger storage spaces, the secondary memory is used. Okay, suppose you want to store a movie in the computer, so RAM and ROM cannot store a movie. Okay, so you need a bigger memory like a CD or a hard disk or pen drive, etc. Okay, so these are used for secondary storage devices. So their examples are given here. All the hard disk, floppy disks, flash drive, you have to just read it. Okay, next comes is output device. Now after giving the input, the computer will process everything in the CPU, and after processing is done, the output is given or shown on the monitor primarily. Or if there is a sound comes out of the speakers, or you can print out whatever displayed on the monitor on a paper with the help of a printer. Okay, so these are used for display purpose, and those are called output devices, where you get what you are able to see or hear the output generated by the computer. So those are output devices. Okay. Next comes is the software. What are software? So I'll explain this section. The software, two types of software: system and application software. This section, the last page of the lesson, that is page number 26, I'll discuss in the next video. Okay, so watch for the second part also, the third part also.